Motor installation. Hunter's direct drive motor is not only efficient, but light enough in weight an individual can move it. Be careful when removing the motor from its packaging. Do not lift the motor from the motor power cable. Line up the holes from the retention cable into the fork. Insert the clevis pin into the retention rod and secure it with the provided clip. Connect the plug from the motor and the down rod. Twist the connector to lock. Lift the motor assembly while feeding the studs through the down rod flange. Gently feed the excess wire and cable through the top of the down rod. Be sure not to pinch the cable between the motor and the down rod flange. Secure each stud with the nylon lock nuts.